Hey everybody, hope you're having a great Monday. It is James Orton at Mazda of Crystal Lake. Today here with a carbon turbo version of a CX-30 for 2024. And that of course with the zircon sand metallic, as you saw a close-up of. Black wheels, mirror caps, and then the terracotta interior. So you get this nice leather upholstery in terracotta, fit and finish really nice, and then the Alcantara-esque feel of the inserts here all the way to the dash. Nice stitching continued, just a little detail that looks pleasing upon entry of the Mazda. And then of course the turbo engine, 2.5 liters of Mazda power. Open up on the back hatch, just as easy as that. This box is of black lug nuts, so when you get your first service you can have them swap that out from what's on here now. Just an additional detail on your black wheels. So this is still actually a mica or a metallic finish to the black wheels. That extends all the way to the mirror caps as well, where there's a metallic flake to it. So if you see there, your jet black mica, just a metallic, cool detail. This does not have the active driving display or head-up display, but you can still get a visual on your current speed that's easy to look at. Now it has the wireless charger, so that's nice, but it does not have the Bose sound system. It's not a slouch though, it's still a good sound system. Oh my God. And dual zone climate control, as well as heated seats. So let's take you through a few gears just here at the dealership so you can kind of see the point of view and of the CX-30 if you've never been in one. Nice and quiet interior. So the 2.5 turbo is mated to the 6-speed automatic. Now there aren't paddle shifters on the carbon turbos, but you do have shift points that you can select on the shifter. So forward for a downshift, back for an upshift, like putting the gears behind you, and that lets you dial in power delivery as if you were going into a turn or making an approach, and being able to slow down the car if you need to. Now there is 320 pound-feet of torque on tap when you put premium in it. So you can be out on vacation in a rural area, say they don't have premium, you can run regular, which is a nice programming that Mazda did with the turbo to be able to do that. Another small detail on the turbo version of any CX-30. You see your tailpipe here and the design of it versus your naturally aspirated 2.5. So that can signify a turbo as well, unless they already noticed the badging on it. But otherwise they both have dual exhaust tips out of the rear bumper, which is nice, and they're functional. And then carbon turbo also has the like monochrome or black chrome accent to the grille. So it really kind of sets itself apart from the other Mazda colors. Kind of an earthy tone. Well, thanks for looking at the 2024 Mazda CX-30 carbon turbo with me. And if you're looking at the CX-30, they start from 25 to 26. All-wheel drive standard, remote start standard. You can get black wheels and mirror caps with the Select Sport, or you can enjoy the turbo in the carbon turbo like we just looked at. So check it out. It's a great chassis, safe, fuel efficient, it's great looking, and they're fun to drive. Have a great day. Safe travels to you and your family.